Looking for an easy dinner weeknight meal? Well, let me show you how I make these really simple green chicken enchiladas. So in a hot skillet with some grapeseed oil, I'm going to sear up some chicken breasts. And I season these chicken breasts with seasoning salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, and a smidget of taco seasoning. And I'll cook them halfway on one side, and then I flip them and I let them sear on the other side and then allow them to finish cooking. Once the chicken is fully cooked, I remove it from the pan and I just give it a rough chop. In that same pan that I cooked the chicken in, I'm now going to add some red onion, some green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and some garlic. And I'm going to allow those veggies to cook down for a little bit. And then I'm going to add the chicken back to the pan. And then I'm just going to give everything a good mix and let those flavors like cook together for a little bit, not too long. And this is an easy recipe, so I'm going to use some canned enchilada sauce. You can use whatever kind you want, green, red, whatever brand you want. So on a low heat, I'll let that warm up on the stove. And if I feel like it needs any additional seasonings or flavor, I'll go ahead and doctor it up. Now I'm going to take some corn tortillas that I warmed up in the microwave before so that they don't break while I'm rolling the enchiladas. I add 1 to 2 scoops of the chicken to the tortilla and then I roll it up like so. And once that sauce is nice and hot, I'm just going to pour it over the rolled tortillas. And I like mine with a lot of sauce. I do not like enchiladas that are really dry. So add as much or little sauce as you want. But again, this is how I like mine. And then now I'm going to top it off with some shredded cheese. I use just like a cheddar jack mix. Put some foil on it and put it in the oven on 400, 10 minutes covered and another 5 to 10 minutes uncovered. And this is what we have. And then I paired mine with some refried beans and some Mexican rice. I made the Mexican rice, but I just used canned refried beans. If you want to knock off a step, you can just buy the quick box of Mexican rice too. But yeah, I garnished with a little sour cream salsa and some green onions. And yeah, it was so good. It was filling and I slept like a baby.